Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your last love bite for the month. Okay, so Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, small little love bite for you. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome in newbies. If you enjoy the reading, do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And the first few cards that I see on the table, Libra, are the Seven of Wands, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Four of Swords, the Nine of Swords, Six of Wands, Two of Wands, Page of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. All right, so bottom of my spread, I have the Five of Pentacles in reverse, which means somebody doesn't want to be in a place where they're always feeling neglected and left out in the cold and making some decisions for themselves. All right, and Libra, if any of you need a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So before I start this reading, which I see right now, there is a lot of stress. Somebody is going through a lot of sleepless nights and a lot of worry about a situation where they're having a little bit of difficulty, maybe having a reunion with someone that they really care for. We'll check this out after I do some dialogue message cards. So, Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Thank you. Libra and their person. And we'll take some messages from the heart as well. Libra and their person. Oops, that's too many, but let's take them. Since they wanted to be out, Libra, let's start with our first. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid, stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in a connection. So that's the reason. Somebody says, hey, I don't want to live like this anymore. I don't want to always be in a place of lack, always feeling left out, abandoned, never given priority. Maybe somebody is thinking of releasing this connection here, just dropping the ball and saying, maybe there is no real love here. What am I waiting for? Because somebody's intentions, actions, and words just don't kind of align here. It pisses me off how your karmic has photos of you all over social media trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know it's bullshit. So this could go many ways, Libra. This could be your person and their karmic. This could be just your partner, maybe trying to pretend that they are happy and, showing on social media that their life is all put together. But heart of hearts, one person knows that somebody's lying. Somebody's putting on a false mask here. I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel so I don't think I'm going fucking crazy. Because there's separation, somebody doesn't know what the other person's up to and they're worried, is my partner with somebody else? They just want to know so that, they don't have to think so much about it. I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, my well-being. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. Must have become a one-sided connection where one person was only giving, the other person was only taking, and the one who was giving finally got depleted and said, hey, I can't do this anymore. Now their partner's going stressed out because they were so used to getting, but they don't know where their partner is or who they are with or if they are with anyone else. I'm an understanding person and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can't understand why you are not able to communicate that you simply need some more time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more every time. I've always loved you and I always will. From the first moment I looked into your eyes, I knew that you were my eternal love. It really hurts me to have to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and my soul because that's where you are. No matter how hard this journey has been, loving you is still the best thing that's ever happened to me. You got lots of cards, Libra. Letting you walk away from me is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. I think one partner got fed up and said, I've given enough, I'm depleted, I'm leaving, I can't be in this situation forever, and they left. And now their partner saying, oh my God, why did I let this person go? Now somebody is ashamed and embarrassed of their actions, and maybe they didn't stop their partner on time. Now they don't know how to apologize. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. It's the little things that you do make you so special. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand. I need more time. I want to restore your faith in me. Now, that's going to be a big job to restore somebody's faith, because I do see somebody is having a lot of difficulty. I think somebody's decided to walk off and be single and happy on their own now. So let's clarify these cards, Libra. Let's see what's going on. But before that, let me just take a blessing from my angels for this reading and see what advice, guidance, message, or a blessing there is for you. Confidence is the key here, Libra. Use the sword of truth. Archangel Michael says, here's the sword of truth. That's all you need, and your confidence, and things can be fine. Let's put this card here. And let's clarify this reading. So yes, somebody is being very defensive here. Somebody is guarding their energy, not wanting maybe a reconciliation now. Taking care of themselves, no longer wanting to be in competition, no longer wanting to be in conflict, saying, hey, I'm not interested in coming back together with you because I've decided to kind of spend time on myself. Or Libra, if this is this person who's going through the stress, they could be seeing their partner as being a bit defensive now, not fighting for their attention anymore, not reaching out for a reconciliation. They see their partner now as doing very well in their own life, leading a very balanced life, taking care of themselves, taking care of their money, and not really interested in getting back. But somebody is spying on them big time. Are they with anyone else? Are they giving to somebody else? How are they doing? Not reaching out, maybe not reaching out to reunite, but still keep looking at them and watching them all the time. Maybe this is the person that they now want to give to. They want to now have a balanced connection with. They do see this person as the Queen of Pentacles, right? The Queen of Pentacles is that perfect spouse, the one you want to live with forever and ever, who's abundant, beautiful, and the whole jig. Libra, this could be you thinking like this about your partner, could be the cross watcher. But if whoever this is, let's say this is you, Libra, you've taken a long time to kind of think about this. And the more you're thinking, the more you're stressing out, because you've realized that, hey, this is my 10 of cups. This is your 10 of cups, but you maybe never acknowledged it to even yourself. You've never admitted these secrets that you've kept within your heart about how you feel to your person, that, hey, you make me happy, and you are the one that I want. I think you've just been keeping it to yourself, and the more you're thinking about it and hiding the truth from your partner, the more stress there is. You can't sleep at night anymore. All you keep thinking is, oh my God, I messed up. I am feeling ashamed of my actions now. I'm embarrassed that, I let the best person in my life go. And like this card said, I should have fought for you. Letting you walk away from me was my biggest regret, is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. So somebody is having sleepless nights and feeling ashamed of themselves now. 9 of Swords, Spirit. Yes, they are now realizing that maybe they were being very selfish and only thinking about themselves and not the partnership or their person. They also realize that they have a lot of love now, but they're realizing it now after maybe, I think, their partners walked away. Now, whoever's in anxiety is realizing their own mistakes, they're realizing their own selfish behavior, they're realizing their sneaky behavior. Maybe they were always playing games and, stealing from their person, their love, their heart, their time, everything, and going, ha, 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 see, I won again. But this was all emotional manipulation. They hid the love and just showed maybe the hard side. Now somebody is no longer at crossroads. They know what direction they want to go to, but now they don't know how to, now they don't know how to apologize. Now they're sitting in their regret, sitting in their sorrow as, what do? I know where I want to go. I'm no longer confused. I know the direction I want to go, but now I think I've messed it up here. They don't know how to give any apology. Why is that, Spirit? Because this has become too much of a burden now. What can I say? Like, if there was one thing I could have said, I'm sorry I did this, but now they're realizing there are many, 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 many things that have gone wrong in this connection. Their sneaky behavior, selfish behavior, emotional manipulation, keeping secrets, and always maybe making their partner feel less than. And now this is burdening to them because they don't know what to say. And maybe they have trouble in apologizing to people. That could also be a big burden, that they're not used to it. They're always used to being that kingpin, and now they feel without an apology it's not going to work. Now they're trying to figure out what message to send, but they can't think of anything. Yes, again, sitting in their ego and pride, right? This ego and pride, they've never done it before. I don't think this person has ever in their life apologized to anyone. So this apology is now becoming a burden to them, and that's why they're not reaching out. Because if they reach out, then they have to apologize, and their ego and pride won't allow that. So what's this 9 of Pentacles, Spirit, then? 9 of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Something is going to force this person to have to apologize. They have no choice. They've been pondering over this for a very, very long time. That if I hide the truth, if I don't tell my partner the truth, my partner is now looking single, available and gorgeous and everything else, and is off to a fresh new beginning because I'm not with them anymore. But I've realized that this is the person for me. I'm the one who wants this 10 of Pentacles with them. And without an apology, it's not going to work, right? If I keep hiding my truth, I'm going to lose my person. Because this person is single, available, free, looking good, and off for a fresh new beginning. And will find somebody else. I mean, they're not the kind of person who will be available for very long. They are going to find their 10 of Pentacles. And what about me? I'll just stay here in my lies. So I don't think they have a choice, but will soon come forward. I do see the chariot here rushing towards that person to with some kind of a love offer or an apology to say, hey, you're my one. You're my one. You're the person I want for the rest of my life. Right now, I think they are waiting for divine timing and a bit confused as to how to say it or waiting for the correct time to say it right now. That's about it. Okay, so this person is now realizing that it's an apology or they're going to lose their partner forever. Okay, that's all I have for you, Libra. We will check again next week. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.